Hi, myself is Arun Shivanand. I am the General Manager of Dato Middle East. We have been exhibiting in Automechanika since 2011, and this being the 15th year, we are exhibiting in the Automechanika Dubai. We are very delighted to know that each year we are gifted with a lot of new customers, new visitors and new concepts of how the exhibition and the automotive industry is changing as such. This year, we would like to introduce the latest diagnostic solution, the DAS 825 from our side, which is the most economic and the most comprehensive diagnostic solutions ever. The most niche technology that we are introducing this year is the laser cleaning technology, which you can see it live in action in our booth in S1C12. We are continuously exhibiting with Automechanika, and we have participated in Saudi Arabia Automechanika the previous year. Coming year, we are yet again going to extend our exhibition in Saudi Arabia and in other countries where Automechanika is doing it. So we are very much looking forward to have a long-term journey with Automechanika. And this year we are also introducing our latest rim cleaning machine, which is exhibited right in front of our stall, you can see there. And this is the most advanced technology of cleaning the rims that give you the mirror polishing finish. So if it is new to you and you are curious, you are most welcome to visit us at Sheikh Zayed Hall 1, C12.